What is up, you guys? Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to do Snapchat half swipe on notifications to read messages without them knowing. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Snapchat application and make sure this application is up to date. And next, what you're gonna do to read these messages from dead people without them knowing, you need to tap and hold in the space between the person name and their head icon right there, because if you type on icon you bring up that menu. If you tap on person name you get into conversation with that person, but if you type in between of these two things you can do this like that. You see, you can swipe to the right and don't release that finger from the screen, and now you are able to get the conversation, to see the conversation, what is inside. You can read messages, and when you swipe it to the left again, this conversation wouldn't be marked as read. So in that way you can do Snapchat half swipe and read messages without them knowing, and I hope this video helped you out, guys. So let me know in the comments below that it's really worked for you.